Welcome to the Tech Empowerment Initiative. Our mission is to empower seniors to safely and effectively use today's technology to enhance their lives, stay connected with loved ones, and engage in their communities. We believe that technology should be accessible to all, regardless of age, and we are dedicated to bridging the digital divide that exists among older adults. Through our comprehensive technology education and support services, we aim to equip our community with the skills and confidence they need to navigate the digital world. We provide personalized training sessions, workshops, and resources tailored to the unique needs and interests of seniors. Our knowledgeable instructors guide them through the intricacies of smartphones, tablets, computers, and various digital platforms, empowering them to stay connected, access information, and participate fully in today's interconnected society. Ultimately, our vision is a world where every senior has the knowledge, skills, and tools to harness the benefits of technology. By empowering individuals to embrace technology with confidence, we strive to enhance their quality of life, promote their independence, and foster their continued social, intellectual, and emotional well-being.